Hey, Brian Steer, Blue Homes Real Estate, jumping on for this month's edition of our market update. This will be for the Wildwoods for April of 2025. As usual, we'll start north and head south. So we'll kick it off with North Wildwood for April of 2025. We currently have 71 properties on the market. You had 20 new listings. You had 17 sales. Average sale price on those sold was $789,547. List to sale ratio at 99.08. And average days on the market at 113. Moving to Wildwood for April of 25. We've got 95 properties on the market. We've got 27 new listings. We had 15 sold in April. Average sale price of those sold was $689,993. List to sale ratio of 99.13, so just slightly higher than North Wildwood, and an average days on the market of 126. Moving into West Wildwood for April of 25. Currently 6 properties on the market in West Wildwood. In April, we had 3 new listings come to market. We had 5 sales. Average sale price of those sales was $536,994. List to sale ratio at 98.90, and average days on the market of only 51. Moving into Wildwood Crest for April of 25. We've got 62 properties on the market. We had 15 listed in April. We had 13 sold. Average sale price of $715,761. With a list to sale price ratio of 97% and an average days on the market of 84. Lastly, we'll take a look at Diamond Beach for April of 25. We've got 13 properties on the market currently. That's a pretty big number for Diamond Beach. You had 2 listed, only 1 sold. The sale price on that one was $610,000. The list to sale ratio was 97.60, and that particular property was on the market for 215 days. So what are we seeing across the whole island heading into late spring, early summer of 2025? We had a very strong first quarter as usual. It's going to show up here in second quarter closings. Second quarter slowed down a little bit, I think, with buyers. Inventory is still pretty depressed, but as you can see from the numbers, what inventory that's coming on is good is selling pretty quickly, and we're still selling everything at very, very close to list price. All across the island, we're at 98% and above. Now, there's been quite a few price reductions. I think a lot of people are still being very optimistic about their pricing and pricing ahead of the market, where the price appreciation isn't growing at such a significant rate as it once was. It's actually really growing pretty slow, so they've had to come back down. But once you find that sweet spot, once you find that right number, the properties are going pretty fast. So still very optimistic about what's going on down here. Prices are continuing to rise just at a slower pace. Good inventory is selling fast. We are still seeing the random multiple offer situations, especially at certain price points. For instance, we just had a single family the other day that was in good shape that came on in the mid 4s. Had about 30 showings in 2 days and a handful of offers and went under contract for over asking. But you just can't find a single in that price range because we don't see much coming to market. So a lot of good going on, still a lot of uncertainty, but the numbers are remaining high, demand is remaining strong, inventory remains low, and the good inventory is selling quickly. That's pretty much the overall review. But we'll see what happens at the end of May heading into the summer. Like I said, first quarter was good, second's a little slower, so maybe we'll see the difference in the May numbers. Definitely we'll see what's going on in June. But until then, I hope this was informative. If you have any questions or interest, give me a call, 609-425-9428. Again, it's Brian Steer, Blue Homes Real Estate. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you on the next one.